Okay, example 3 here gets a little bit tougher because it doesn't deal with just degree measures. This time it has expressions in there, but we still need to apply the same idea, the same thought process to set this problem up. Do they look the same or not? If they look the same, then I would know to set those two angles equal to each other, or in other words, those expressions equal to each other so that I can solve the equation. But if they didn't look the same, then that's when we would say, oh, okay, well, this expression plus the other expression would equal 180 degrees, or expression 1 plus expression 2 equals 180. So here we look and, well, it's kind of hard to tell. Is that 90 degrees? Is it not 90 degrees? I'm going to go ahead and just tell you that, yes, that is the same as this. It doesn't give you the little box there for 90 degrees. We don't always want to assume. The other thing we could do is say, all right, well, technically, if I turn this sideways, these are parallel lines, right? And that's a transversal. This angle is on the right-hand side of the transversal, and that angle, which anytime you see a box, it's 90 degrees, is on the left-hand side. So they're alternating sides, and they're both on the outside of the parallel lines. So they're alternate exterior angles. Well, I can go back to my notes on the front and say, all right, what do I know about alternate exterior angles? They are always congruent, okay? So that's the reason why I came back in here and said, all right, well, alternate exterior angles are congruent. They're equal to each other. So I can set this expression equal to that angle measure, which is 90. And that's how I came up with this equation. Now I just need to solve the equation. It's a two-step equation. You know, always do your opposite operation. We did that here. Got 12x equals 60. Divided by the 12, and we get x equals 5. Please understand the value of x is not the angle measure. It's the value of x. It's not the angle measure. If you wanted the angle measure, you need to take that value and plug it back into the expression. And if we did that, 12 times 5 plus 30, it would give us 90.